You got it ready? Chicken and rice. Chicken rice. Wow. Choo choo.
I want more rice. So tasty.
Very tasty. Looks
Right?
very good. No,
So how you know?
because you've made it before.
No, but these are different.
Oh, it's different. Here, try this one.
You know what? It's not too much effort for you.
It's all right.
No, yeah. So one big plate.
You like it, eh? Tastes good. Mommy made a nice chicken and rice. Tasty. She even put a little saffron in there. Look, saffron. A little bit of saffron for flavor and color. Look, there's a little saffron in there. Oh, Gigi. Oh, Gigi. Oh, yeah, you're the best. You know you're the best. Oh my God, so delicious. Smells so good.
You like Chichi?
You like it, Chichi?
You like Caillou?
This is the little Caillou. Got suntan lotion on.
This chicken is not too dry because it's
You know,
like
it's
the
good.
fish.
It's good. He likes it. He likes the fly and the leg in there. Open your mouth. I'll put some more chicken on your plate. Gaucha! You like when Gaucha runs in the park? We went to the park today. We went to the park today. Oh, you want some more? Okay. Here's some chicken. Some chicken and rice, chicken and rice. Oh, you want something to drink? What's wrong?
He's tired.
You tired or you want to poo-poo? Oh, you had to take a break, right? Maybe you had to take a break?
Oh, we don't show the cabinet kitchen. Bastia. We don't show the cabinet kitchen, Mark.
Show the cabinet kitchen.
Okay, this is the new cabinet.
Kitchen cabinets.
Kitchen cabinet. Okay, Bastian, say bye. Bye, Grandma.
How about me?
Nobody cares for you.
Chicken and rice. Nobody cares for me. Nobody loves me. Nobody cares for me. Nobody loves me.
Okay, look, somebody cares for you.
Bye bye, Grandma. Bye bye, Grandma Lulu.
Bye-bye,
See you
Grandma.
next week. Oops, I forgot the
Nah.
secret. Oh, surprise! Oh, don't tell Grandma.
Okay, bye-bye. Say bye, Bastian. Bye.
See you at Tim Hortons, Grandma. I want a sour cream glazed donut and double.